we'll see how our switch learns MAC address. You know that switch learns MAC address using the source header field, that is source MAC address. So whenever, imagine a packet is coming from here. This is a packet, okay? So imagine this is a packet, okay? Source, what it will contain? Source IP, then source MAC, then you'll have some data, right? Then you'll have, what is that? Destination MAC. Then again you'll have destination IP. This is how a packet will look. These are the information which is contained in your packet, right? Is that right or wrong? Okay. So what is the source IP address? It will be 10.0.0.1. What is the destination IP address? 10.0.0.2. What is the source MAC address? The MAC address of this PC. How to see the MAC address here? This is the MAC address. You can also see here. Sorry, here. IP config. Sorry, all. Okay, this command is not working. So you can see from this config option. This is your MAC address. What is the destination MAC address? You don't know, right? So the packet is sent here. An ARP request. What does that ARP request contain? It contains a request for MAC address, right? Who sends this? This ARP request is sent by this PC to this switch. What this switch will do?
Take down the MAC address.
Exactly. It will take on the MAC address of this PC, because while sending that ARP request, he'll say that this is my PC. This is my MAC address, and my IP address is 10.0.0.1, and this is an ARP request for 10.0.0.2 for his MAC address. You're getting my point, right? So what he will do is, whenever a switch receives any packet on any interface, the very first thing which it does is, it will check for the source MAC address field. So, what is the source MAC address? There is a source MAC address, right? I'll enter this source MAC address on this interface. And then I'll broadcast that ARP request to all my connected devices, except from where I received my packet. That is frames. Later it is called as frames, right? Okay. So what happens now? This ARP request is sent to this switch. Again, this switch will also broadcast it. Why? He doesn't know the destination MAC address, because there is no MAC address. Destination MAC address specified over there, because it's a ARP request. And this ARP request will hit this PC. What this PC will do? He will reply. If you have if you have some other PCs connected to this switch, they will also receive this ARP request, right? But they will not reply back. Why?
Because the IP address is not there.
Exactly. It's not their
IP address.
That packet is not destined for them. So the packet, the ARP request is destined for this address, 10.0.0.2. So he will reply back for that ARP request, saying that, hey, 10.0.0.1, this is my MAC address. Take it. So he'll send his MAC address, right? He'll reply back with a source MAC address of his own MAC address, and then destination MAC address of the actual destination. How I know about the destination MAC address? I already know. Why? The ARP request is sent by that device. He sent that, okay. In ARP request, I found that 10.0.0.1 is the IP address of my destination, and this is the MAC address of my destination when the packet reaches PC1. Clear? Now I'll send reply for that R. What I'll send?
MAC address.
My MAC address. Now my source will be 10.1. My source MAC address will be this one. My destination will be this one, which I know already, and my destination MAC address will be this one. Clear? Now this packet goes to the switch. What the switch will do?
It will check whether MAC address is there.
Exactly.
And then it will
If it doesn't have any MAC address, he will
add
this
MAC
to
table.
its interface. And one more thing, when the packet was coming from this switch, it also received by this switch, right?
Yes.
On this interface. He will also add this MAC address on this interface. Got it? Now this frame is sent to this switch. Again, he will enter this MAC address on its F0/2 interface. Why? He'll check the source field. This source MAC address I don't have on that interface, so I'll add it. Clear? And now this is what happens. But by default, how to check your CAM table? That is MAC address table. Show MAC address table. This is the command. Hit enter. See, by default you have some MAC address. Already learned from 0/2. Did I send any packet? No.
BPD.
Exactly. That packet is from this switch. That packet is of this switch. See, 4801. Check here. What is the MAC address here? Let's check here. C176 -0/2. From where I am getting this MAC address? There is nothing with this MAC address. Let's check here. What is the MAC address over here? D3, B6, right? Let's check here. Show MAC address table. From where I am receiving this one? What I'll do now? I'll ping from this device, okay, to an unknown address. 10.0.0. We'll see what happens now. In our MAC address table, I got an entry for 3EA on fast Ethernet 0/1. Again on this switch, on fast Ethernet 0/1, I should get that entry.
Yes.
Got it? Actually, it's wrong here. The MAC address of this switch will be here. The MAC address of this switch will be here. That's how it works. Clear? Got it? Okay. What's next? No. It didn't learn the MAC address of this PC. So what I'll do now? I'll exactly ping to that address. See now? You'll get one more MAC address on 0/2. 4801. Sorry, 7018. Even on this interface, you'll get 7018. Got it? This is how a switch learns MAC. You're clear, right?